Alright guys, so we applied the first coat and I took a quick break and I came back and oh my god, man, I mean, this is so good looking. You know, if you look at that, it's shining. It's not even like it's dark outside, you know. I mean, I got my two little lights going on over here, but you can already tell even the surface kind of like smoothed out. And it looks pretty fantastic, man. Here it is from the back, the rear fender. And then the tank. So I have already applied it on my handlebars. I'm applying it on another round on all the glossy parts again, to make sure that everything is covered with ceramic coatings. So let's go ahead and put 2-3 more coats on and I'll let you guys know afterwards.
Run.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy GD Warrior right here again, as usual, from sunny South Florida. And today we will be applying my new ceramic coating, and I'm very excited about this product. Based from what I saw online, the end result is gonna be ridiculous. What is ceramic coating? It's basically a new you know, paint treatment that in my opinion is going to replace waxing altogether. The reason for that is that ceramic coating leaves actually a very thin and flexible new layer on your paint. The maintenance on these coatings is, you know, it depends what kind of product you choose. Like, it can be between 2 years and up to 10 years. It leaves a very nice deep gloss 3D wet look. It's very like, you know, water repellent, so if it rains, you know, any kind of bird droppings fall on your paint or anything like this, it's very easy to clean it off. It repels it, it protects the paint. You gotta make sure it's really clean. You know, right now it's the perfect weather. It's like not too humid outside. You know, I'm experiencing a little fresh breeze right here. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to AutoZone. I'm gonna buy myself a clay bar. So we're gonna clay the surface, make sure all the dirt is out of there, and then we're going to put the ceramic coating on. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see it, but the paint looks really dirty over here everywhere, and we're gonna take that off, and then we are going to apply the ceramic coating. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we got our clay kit from GDWARRIOR. We bought it at Advanced Auto Parts, which includes the detailer, the microfiber towel, the clay bars. They came in a nice little box, as you can see, and then we also have our ceramic coating right here that we will use, in a brand new set of microfiber towel. Alright, so far I have cleaned up all the glossy parts, and what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna use GDWARRIOR's quick detailer, ideal for touch-ups, and it makes the clay bar more glide. So I got the clay bar right here, came with it, so let's spray it on. You do not want to go in a swirl motion. Go either left and right or up and down. Take all the impurities out. Hope it's not gonna take off my sticker. I need my don't fucking die sticker. As you can see, I don't know if you're able to see this right here, but it's taking off some shit. Alright, so let me show you guys what's in the kit.
we got our ceramic deep gloss coating right here in that small tiny little bottle, and we also have the pre-treatment. So we will spray this one first. Got two little sponges right here for the application. This side is harder than this side. This one is nice and soft. Here's number 2. Right here we got 2 gloves that came in the box, another microfiber towel, and another softer microfiber towel. This one is really soft, man. And then our instructions, right? So we got our instructions right here. Precautions before the ceramic coating: avoid to work under direct sunlight. Carry out the coating work under cool hood temperature. Dust-free environment will improve application. All right. Do not wash your car at least 48 hours after the treatment. Make sure the surface is out of direct sunlight. Best application temperature is between 5 and 30 degrees. Multiple layers can give better results. Try to choose dust-free environment. All right, so we'll put a few coatings on there, and let's start with coat 1.
I went through the steps again, and right here in small letters it says, ensure the clean application surface prepared by nice washing. Optional. Pre-waxing will be an excellent preparation step to boost the ceramic effect. See, I thought you have to take the wax off, but you don't. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you right now the exact step-by-step instructions on how to apply the ceramic coating on the paint. So first of all, obviously you want to clean the bike, you know, make sure everything is dry and that there is no water spots or anything like this. You know, strip the wax if you want to. In the instructions it says that you can use the wax as a booster. So I left the wax on there, and now it's time to go with step 1. Step 1 is apply the pre-treatment on the paint. So let's spray this on. Spray it on everywhere. Nice coat. That's about it. Next step. Take your sponge that is provided in the box and your ceramic coating. The instructions, it says to use 7 to 10 drops on your sponge. So do this. Let's put a few drops in here. All right, so then you take your sponge. Mine is already dirty here because I already worked the whole bike, but you are going to apply it all over the paint like that. So in the instructions it says to go first in up and down movements and in circular motion. So that's what we're gonna do, up and down movements right here, and then left and right. So here I did up and down. Now let's go left and right in circular motions. All right, now let's do the headlight bucket. Okay. Some areas are a little harder to get to, but all right. Yes, the surface will look wet. That's completely normal because of the pre-treatment. Sure you get everything, these little hard to get areas here as well. All right, that was it. So now you're gonna let it sit. The instructions say 2 to 5 minutes. All right guys, now we let it sit for about 10 minutes. Instructions say 2 to 5, but I was experimenting around a little bit and I figured noticed that if you let it sit longer, it gives it a little better shine, but you cannot leave it too long on the paint because then it gets like, crusty and stuff. So you don't want to do this. Next step is you take a microfiber towel, water. There is no detailer in here, it's just simple water.
spray it on, make the towel wet, and then you wipe it down everywhere. Don't apply too much pressure. There's no pressure needed at all. Just wipe it down. All right, and then immediately you'll have to dry it off with a microfiber towel, which I have right here. Same thing here, not much pressure. There's no streaks. Everything is nice and clean. All right, and then I take a second microfiber towel, which I have right here, and kind of buff it out, polish it, buff it. Like I said, you don't have to use much force or anything like that. Just make it nice and shiny. And this is it. You just completed all the steps to put your ceramic coating on. And as you can see, the shine is there. I mean, this is like mirror shine right there, everywhere. Over here, look at these wheels, man. They are freaking shining. Glossy, 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 glossy. Looks really nice. And then the rear fender. And I applied the ceramic coating on everything that is glossy. So, you know, my side covers, you know, and all that other stuff. Handlebars. So I got that. All right, I would say let's put the bike in the sun. And let's see how it looks like when the bike is outside of the garage. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, here is the end result. Bike is in the sun right now. I cannot leave it for too long out here. I just wanted to show you guys the end result, how it looks like, and it's fucking shiny, man. I mean, holy fuck, look at that. The ceramic coating from Color and Drive. Looks good. It's a nice shine. I mean, look at that. Look at the wheels. Headlight cowl, headlight bucket, and then the paint. Handlebars are done. And all that other stuff. Alright, so let me put the bike back and get it out of the sun. So it needs 2 days to cure. And I will let it sit for 2 days. That means 2 days no riding, man. Alright guys, I hope you guys liked the video. If you have anything to say, comment below. Otherwise, smash that subscribe button. And I see you guys in the next one. It's your boy, GD Warrior.